Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your school Chromebook. Most school-issued Chromebooks aren't designed for high-performance gaming, meaning they lack the necessary graphics cards and processing power to run Fortnite directly. Additionally, Fortnite isn't natively supported on the Chrome OS platform. However, there's a fantastic workaround: cloud gaming services. These services allow you to stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your Chromebook, bypassing its hardware limitations entirely. When it comes to cloud gaming, you have a couple of excellent options. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a top contender, offering a robust experience with various subscription tiers, including a free one with some limitations. Another great choice is Xbox Cloud Gaming, which allows you to stream Fortnite directly through your web browser if you have an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Both services require a stable internet connection, ideally at least 15 to 25 megabits per second, for a smooth gaming experience. Setting up is straightforward. First, navigate to your chosen cloud gaming services website using your Chromebook's Chrome browser. You'll need to log in or create an account. A strong, stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if possible to minimize latency. While you can sometimes use keyboard and mouse, a compatible Bluetooth game controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, will significantly enhance your gameplay and provide a more traditional console-like feel. To get the best possible Fortnite experience on your Chromebook, a few optimizations can help. Close any extra browser tabs or applications running in the background to free up your Chromebook's limited resources. If you have access to an Ethernet adapter, a wired internet connection will always provide more stability than Wi-Fi. Finally, within Fortnite settings, consider lowering the in-game graphics quality to low or medium to ensure the smoothest possible streaming and reduce any potential lag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.